Why we're here. Call it our little art experiment. Throwing bright ideas against the wall. We don't need a name or an argument. If it makes a mess, we've done it right at all. Test it, press it, hope that it sticks. Mixing up the rules like we're painting with tricks. Our little art experiment is starting to make sense. What if this is more than practice? What if this is how we live? Try 100 tiny failures for the one we'll always give. You say freeze it on this frame, that's the one I wanna save. Color running off the canvas, right into the day. Call it our little art experiment. Hey, hey! Throwing bright ideas against the wall. We don't need a name or an argument. If it makes a mess, we've done it right at all. Test it, press it, hope that it sticks. Mixing up the rules like we're painting with tricks. Our little art experiment. Our little art experiment. It's starting to make sense.
Okay, so it's been a few hours and I had this on my heating mat, so they seem to be all cured. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these demolded. Ooh. Wow. I did wait because I put it through my debubbling machine, so maybe it was like a half an hour before I started pouring the alcohol inks in, and then I waited a few minutes before putting the white sinker in. That's the one side. Oh, those are really cool looking. I wasn't sure I was going to even like these. To be honest, I was not going to do a video because obviously I don't want to show you something if it's terrible. But that's pretty cool. I like it. And I like both sides, so either side is nice. And they're all pretty much the same. It looks like the bottom of the ocean, like algae or something. That's really cool. Nice. I like it. Yay, I hope you guys like it too. And here is the last one. That's really interesting. Pick off that extra piece there. I might just need to file the edges, but that's very unique looking to me. I really like it a lot. So nice. I will come back with pictures of those. Let's start with that. Ooh! Oh, yay! Oh my goodness. Now, I've never done the Petri effect before, and I'm really... Ooh, that one looks a little odd. Nice, but odd. Like, it's got a little too much white on the sides, I think. What about this one? Oh, wow. That looks like the inside of a wave. Okay. This one. Ooh, no. That one? Yeah, you can see it's the Petri effect, but it went muddy on me. Oh, that's pretty. I like this one. That's pretty. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so very, very cool. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's really cool. I really like that. And then we got two more. Ooh, I like this. It looks like a marble. That's so cool. Ooh, interesting. And I will come back and show pictures here at the end of all these. But I just wanted you to see without my light interfering what these actually look like. So that is, I'm loving it. Really cool. Petri bottle openers. And then I will put these on pendants or make them into magnets, but I will be back with the final photos. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.